Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Sajjad and I am a lecturer at University of South Asia. This webinar is brought to you by the Faculty of Computer Science at University of South Asia. Let's begin by understanding and knowing the domains of computer education. This involves computer programming, information technology, software engineering and computer sciences. For this part of the webinar, we'll be discussing computer sciences and the courses you can take or the choices you can take during your studies here. Whenever a student thinks of choosing a degree related to computers, they always come up with a lot of questions, among which few of the popular ones are: what is computer science? Why computer science? What courses or modules will they be learning in the whole degree? Or what is the future of computer science? Don't worry, we'll be answering all these questions for you in this webinar. So let's start. What is computer science? Computer science is a field where students will learn how to do problem solving. That problem can be related to anything. That can be hardware related, that can be related to softwares, web development, artificial intelligence, data manipulation, or anything that relates to a computer. The most important aspect of computer science is problem solving, and essential for life. Students learn development, design, and analysis of software and hardware to solve particular problems. Let's move to the modules of computer sciences. Computer sciences has a wide range of courses that help students to gain relative experience in the field, and also those courses help students to secure a good career path. The computer science students learn the courses like programming fundamentals, web systems and technologies, CI, image processing, and more. Let's talk about programming fundamentals. This is one of the courses where students will be learning how to create logic, how to develop an algorithm, or how to convert these logics or algorithms into a well-drafted C++ code. This will also enhance the thinking skills of students on how to solve a particular problem using some programming techniques. So for example, if you are given a problem where you have to add two numbers, what will you do? How will you do it? You will have to take two inputs from the users, and based on those two inputs, you have to store the sum of those two inputs into a third variable, let's say C, and you have to store the sum of those two numbers into a variable C. Sounds complicated? Don't worry. We take students from different backgrounds and help them attain a certain proficiency in this field.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Kashif and I am a faculty member of Computer Science Department at University of South Asia, Lahore. Apart from programming fundamentals, we offer a variety of courses in Computer Science Department like web systems and technologies. In this course, students learn basic web technologies like CSS, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery. These technologies help you to choose career related to web development. After completing this course, you can do a job as front-end developer or a back-end developer. Second most important course that we offered in Computer Science Department, Computational Intelligence. Computational intelligence is theory, design, and application of different biological and linguistical motivated computational paradigms. There are three main pillars of this course: fuzzy logic, neural networks, and heuristic algorithms. After completing this course, you will be able to design intelligent systems like flight control system, automatic cars, and automatic machines. Let's move to the next course, digital image processing. In this course, we focus on images and videos. This course trains you how to modify the video, how to modify the images. It is a subfield of signal processing, but specially focus on images. In this course, we train you on different programming tools like MATLAB. This course helps you to process the video and edit the images. And after completing this course, you will be able to modify, you will be able to generate a video, a content that will look different. And Adobe Photoshop is one of the common applications of this domain that helps you to edit images and videos. Now a question that I love to answer: what is the future of computer science? Well, what is the first thing that you do when you wake up? You probably check your phone. Research has shown 9 out of 10 people do that. What is a phone? It's a smart device. It's actually a computer, indeed, a very powerful tool. So after completing the degree in computer science, you will be able to do a job as a database developer. You will be able to do a job as a good programmer. Moreover, we teach you how to speak good, and you can be a good entrepreneur. I hope this webinar will help you to find a suitable degree program for you. Thank you so much.
For more details,
0311 711 1112